Spooky stories are best when they are told in dark or when you hear it in not absolute darkness but dim light. Let's hear today's spooky story. Be warned, those who don't want to hear spooky stories, they may stop right now. And those who love spooky stories, continue watching it. A long time ago, five youngsters decided to go on an adventure. There was this tunnel which was well known for spooky encounters. Unfortunately, or fortunately, that night it was raining. As the car drove through the rainy path, they neared the tunnel. And as they entered the tunnel, there was total darkness, just the headlights of the car. They went in and all of them looked around, driving slowly, checking out the walls, the surrounding, and they were out of the tunnel. Nothing happened. Now they wanted to try again, so they turned back their car. In that dark night, except for the light of the moon and the stars, the only light on that road was the lights from the car. They drove back into the tunnel, slowly driving, really scared. Anything could have happened. And they drove, watching carefully around. And they were out of the tunnel. And they asked each other, did you see anything? Did anyone see anything? None of them saw anything. So they turned back their car. And they did this few times. That's when they noticed one of their friends sitting in the center at the back was turning pale. He was looking really frightened and shivering. And they asked, what happened? Did you see it? Did you see it? He said, let's get out of here. Let's get out of here. So they quickly turned back their car, drove right out of the tunnel on their way back home. And in between they stopped and they asked, did you see anything? But the sound of the raindrops falling on the car top and on the car, there was complete silence in the car. The boy in the middle spoke. Did y'all hear it? What were we supposed to hear? Did you hear something? I didn't hear anything. Tell us, what did you hear? Raindrops. Of course it's raining. You will hear raindrops. What did you hear? Raindrops. And that's what he heard. Raindrops. Peter patter raindrops. Peter patter raindrops. Boo! Bye-bye for now.